Today we're going to be installing the Duha underseat storage system on this 2019 Ram 1500 Crew Cab new body style. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here we are in the back seat. We've got the back seat up already. Now this particular model does not have the reclining rear seat. If we did, we would also have a divider from the factory that would need to be removed. Since that's already not even in the picture, we can skip that step and go directly to mounting it. Now, these are the straps. These are metal straps that are gonna be used to mount the storage unit. What we're gonna do is back where this 18mm head bolt goes down through the frame bracket to go in and mount it to the truck. We're going to remove that with an 18mm. All right, so now that we've got the bolt out, we can go ahead and put in the mounting strap. Now the mounting strap needs to be oriented like so. It needs to step up from where the bolt is. Go ahead and put the bolt back down into the frame. And go ahead and tighten it down, but not all the way. We want that mounting strap to be able to move around a little bit. All right, now repeat the same process on the opposite side of the truck. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and take our bin, slide it in place, and slide it right into where our mounting straps are. We're gonna take our linch pins, slide them into place, repeat the same process on the opposite side. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and finish tightening down our 18mm bolts. We're gonna do this on both sides. Now we can go ahead and drop in our optional inserts. Now another really cool feature of the Duha underseat storage bin is it comes with provisions to be able to safely transport your firearms. It comes with these Velcro straps. Let me show you how they work. You got slots that are built into your dividers. You slide them through, and then the Velcro will just attach right to itself. And that'll keep it from bouncing around while you're driving. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.